Father's hands turn this soil, a lifetime paid in sweat and toil. But when the men in suits came by, they drew a line beneath the sky. They brought no plow, they brought no seed, but claimed the fruits of honest need. And now I live where roots run deep, but I'm the one they say can't keep. This is land that's not in my name, though my blood's buried in its clay. I know each tree, I felt each flood, but they don't see my sweat as good. They call it law, I call it shame, to live on land not in my Until that day I stand and tend the home